As Guyana moves towards 21st century public financial management, the National Procurement and Tender Administration Board, in collaboration with the IDB, hosted an evaluator training workshop focusing on the area of public procurement. ANARA joins us again.
Delivering opening remarks at the Guyana Marriott Hotel this morning, Chairman of the National Procurement and Tender Administration Board, BERKLEY WICKHAM, told participants the legal framework for procurement in Guyana is changing.
And among other areas, there will be new methods of procurement. And evaluation criteria will become more specific and perhaps a little more complicated. Now, what I have said so far is not intended to scare you, but in the real world of Guyana, you will find that while in the past the evaluation process may not have been challenged, you should never confuse poor but untested past practice with proper practice.
Wickham reminded that procurement decisions are the subject of public audit and continuous evaluator training is essential. IDB procurement specialist Ivan Gaviria noted that with the advent of all the expected economic changes in Guyana, workshops such as these are crucial.
With everything that is upcoming in the country, big changes, looking towards the future, and also just ensuring that public procurement and the processes therein, evaluations, etc., are maintained with the principles of fairness, impartiality, and transparency. I think that the workshop is going to be very beneficial.
The two-day workshop will engage and inform participants from various governmental organizations across Guyana on the general principles of tender evaluation. For InfoHub, ANARA.